Hey, if you want to measure the heart rate using the HUAWEI Watch Fit SE, first of all, just remember to wear your watch tight, to let it stick to your skin, and of course you have to also open this measurement. So open this notification panel, or simply click on the button on the right side, and here we got the heart rate monitor. You have to also remember to chill out, to sit for like 5 or 10 minutes, be quiet, and now you can perform this measure. So as you can see, in my case, it's around 84 beat rate per minute. And when you swipe down, swipe up like this, you can also check your resting heart rate, and you got also the information about the resting heart rate. So as you can see, that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.